Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain MVC in the simplest way possible. No complex code, no confusing theory, just clear, beginner-friendly explanation. MVC stands for Model View Controller. It's a popular architecture used in web development frameworks like Laravel, Django, and many more. The main idea is simple. Split your application into 3 parts so it becomes easier to develop, manage, and debug. The model handles your data. It talks to the database, performs logic, and decides which information the app should show. For example, getting all products from the database. Now let's talk about view. The view is what the user sees. The design, HTML, UI, all of that is in the view. Now let's talk about controller, the middleman. The controller handles user input. It receives a request, tells the model what data it needs, then sends that data to the view to show on a screen. Imagine a user clicks on show products. Here is what happens. Controller will say that, hey model, give me the product list. Model will say that, here we go. Controller, great. Now view, display this beautifully. View, show the list on the website. This separation keeps everything clean and easy to maintain. So why MVC is useful? Easier to organize your code. Developers can work in parallel. One on UI and one on logic. Easier to test, debug, and scale. Used by most modern frameworks. And that's MVC explained in the simplest way possible. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment what topic you want next. Thanks for watching.